Aw, fucker.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Lorain County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh.
We're located along a line extending from Westlake to near Strongsville to near Lodi, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Elyria, Medina, Willowick, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Willoughby, Hudson, and Twinsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lake, Lorain, Medina, and Summit.